Meaning of hummock.
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 Hummock. A hummock refers to a small hill or mound of earth that rises above the surrounding landscape. It is typically caused by natural geological forces such as glaciers, erosion, or volcanic activity. They can also be created artificially for various purposes, including landscaping and construction projects. Hummocks come in various sizes and shapes and are found in different types of terrains around the world, from Arctic tundras to tropical rainforests. They have valuable ecological functions, providing habitats for various plant and animal species, and are also used in agriculture and forestry practices.